students, today we are going to learn a new letter sound and the letter is V. Let's see the formation of the letter V. Now let's move to action of sound V. You can see the man is driving the van. You just need to pretend that you are driving as it is given in the picture. Now it is story time. Uncle Vic is a delivery man. He is on his way to visit his niece and nephew. When he arrives, they all set off in his van. Vroom! They drive through the village to deliver some vegetables. The children pretend to drive going. Vroom! Vroom! Everyone has a lovely time. Now it is song time. Now it's song time, so let us sing. Drive Vicks went round the village. Drive Vicks went round the village. Drive Vicks went round the village. Now let us see some words which has V sound. Violin. Violin has V sound. Volcano. Volcano has V sound. Van. Van has V sound. And wet. Wet has V sound. Vacuum. V has V sound. So that's all students. Thank you. Take care.